Hello guys, Eddie Jonathan here. Um, Today I would like to talk about sheet swapping, and I recently noticed that it has changed. The way we used to do back then has changed in the new version of Tableau, that is 2022. Let's see how we used to do back then, and then I'm going to show how we can do it now. So let's start by creating our parameter. Let's call it choose chart, and then it will be a string, a list. Let's take bar as value here and scatter as value here. Okay, now we need to create a calculated field that will be used on the filter shelf. So let's create it. We'll call it choose uh, chart, and then we'll drop the parameter here. Okay, so I'll just show the parameter on each sheet. Let me just get rid of the legend here. Yeah, now we are on the bar chart, and what we used to do back then was to take the calculated field and checking here, right? Apply OK. Then on the second sheet, we just take scatter and then choose it like this. So now let's see. See, it does not work actually. It does no longer work. So it has apparently changed. So let's see how we can do it now. And I'm going to show two ways. And these two ways actually existed before. Uh, so let's start by just removing this. Yes. And this. Okay. So the first way is by not checking here, but by actually adding bar here. And, okay. Then we come to the second one. We don't check here. We just come here and put scatter, add, apply. Okay. Now it works. You see? So if we go to our dashboard, let me put a vertical container here, my bar chart. Uh, put this entire view. Yeah, my scatter plot here. Let me just remove this for now. Let me remove the title, and now I can bring back the parameter chart. So now you see it works. Now the second way, I saw it on the channel called One Number. Let's do it. So actually it doesn't matter here if we change uh, the parameter here or not. It does not actually matter. So let's use the same calculated field, and instead of uh, adding here, you just come to the formula and the choose chart. So the calculated field that you have created should be equal to bar. And here you go to condition, formula, choose chart should be equal to scatter. So now it works here. Let's go back to our dashboard. Here we see that it also works. So these are the two, uh, let's not say new ways, but these are the two ways you can now uh, implement sheet swapping. Thank you very much, and see you again. Bye.